Alright, so located on the SB200 Stoker Boiler, on the firebox door you can see that it does have a nice glass fire door, so you can see what's going on inside the firebox. Firebox door is going to be fully gasketed on both the frame of the door as well as the glass on the door. Located directly below the unit is going to be your ash pan clean out. So you can see below, this is a very large ash pan, so that's pretty nice. You shouldn't have to empty it out too frequently. Inside the firebox of the SB200 Stoker Coal Boiler, so you can see it is a burn pot system. It is not a grate system. So that's going to be unique over some of our other brand lines like Key Stoker or Pen Stoker. So you can see, as mentioned, this is a boiler model. So located up at the top, those are going to be water tubes that flow across the top of the water jacket, as well as the burn pot located inside the firebox. This is the control system on the SB200 Coal Stoker Boiler. So this is going to be your timer. So you can see here, they do give you a chart that shows you how to set the timer. It does tie directly into the thermostat. So this is going to be your thermostat control located at the bottom, which is going to tie into your Honeywell thermostat located at the top of the unit. Located on the rear of the SB200 Stoker Boiler, you do have an option to add domestic hot water exchange, and all of your plumbing ports will be located on the rear of the unit here. So I really hope that you guys do find this video helpful. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That'll keep you updated with all of our latest video releases. We really appreciate your guys' continued support. The more likes, the more views we get, the more videos we'll produce, so keep that in mind. I hope that you guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Thank you so much for watching.